Hello everyone, welcome to RaHaz tutorial. Today let's take a look of some of the top trending English slang words and phrases along with their meanings. Left no crumbs means perfectly done. Vibe check means mood test or energy filler. Low key means quietly or secretly. FYP means for you page. Legit means authentic or trustworthy. Glow up means positive transformation. NPC means boring or robotic person. Big yikes means major cringe or awkwardness. Bougie means fancy or high class. High key means obviously or intensely. Sheesh means impressed or shocked. Stan means super fan or loyal supporter. Flex means brag or show off. Khor means random aesthetic. Suss it out means investigate or figure out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a learning moment. Thank you.